I'm Anil Kumar, and in this exercise we will evaluate logarithmic functions from the very basic definition. The equation here is: solve the equation 1500 equals to 500 times 1.075 to the power of t to determine how long will it take to triple $500 invested at 7.5% compounded annually. So these are simple word problems where the equation has been given to you. At times the equation may not be given to you, but from the given conditions that the investment of 500 is tripled, that means 500 becomes 1500, correct? Invested at 7.5%, that is to say 1 plus 7.5%, which is 1 plus 0.075, compounded annually, so you get to the exponent of t. You can always write your equation. Well, to begin with, we have the equation 1500 equals to 500 times 1.075 to the power of t. Now we need to find what t is. So we need to find t in years. That is what the question is. Now to find t, first step, let's divide by 500. So we should get 3 because we are tripling the amount, correct? At times, even if this amount is not given, triple the amount, you could take any amount. You can write a and 3 times a here also. That is another option for you, which may be applied in some situations. So we have 3 equals to 1.075 to the power of t. Now 3 is equals to, that is your base, 1.075 to the power of t. How will you find t from here? Well, a couple of ways. So those of you who do not know how to use log, let us say, so how will they do it? So they will kind of estimate this answer, 1.075 to the power of, they could say 1.075 to the power of, write some number, right? Let us say we write a number 10. So we see how much, 2.06. So that is lesser. So we can say 1.075 to the power of, let us say 15. And then there's a 2.95. So not bad. So 2.95 is good enough. So like this you can estimate using a calculator. So 1.075 to the power of what is 3. That is what you're trying to do. And you said, well, I estimated, and my estimate is 15 years, right? So just now I showed you, right? So what I did was I did 1.075 to the power of something. When I place 15, I get 2.9588. So not a bad idea. So that's one way of doing it, right? The other way is to use the logarithmic laws. So those of you who have learned logarithmic laws can use that or can apply after this, right? So there what we do is, since we use calculator, we have to do log to the base 10. So what we do is we take log to the base 10. No need to write 10 here on both sides. So we get log of 3 equals to log of 1.075 to the power of t. Now that could be written as t times log of 1.075. That is from the laws of logarithms, where some of you might have learned. And from here we can find the value of t as log of 3 divided by log of 1.075. Do you get the idea? So again we can use the calculator and then do log of 3 divided by log of 1.075 is equal to how much? So we get 15.19, right? So that is close by. So we get so many years, correct? So 15 years, 15.19. Of course, 1.19 could be multiplied by 12 to get months, right? So which is around 2.25. So we can say 15 years and says 2.25 months, right? 2.25 months, or you can say 3 months. Okay, now that is how you could actually solve this kind of question, correct? So the idea here is to teach you that in case you know the formula, that is logarithmic laws, you can use log to find the answer. Otherwise, you can estimate, right? Since in 15 years you really don't make it 3 times, so and since it is compounded annually, that means you only get the interest at the end of the year. Our true answer could be from here also. When you say to the power of 15 is less than 3, we will say 16 years. You understand? And here also we will get 16 years. So if you compare like that, it is not a bad estimate at all. So the idea which we are sharing initially with you in evaluating logarithms is that for finding the exponent, you can use trial method and then estimate. Correct? Till you really learn all the laws. I hope that helps. And with this trial method, you can do most of the questions in 8.3 to evaluate logarithms. I hope that helps. Thank you.